My favorite way to make money online. Hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash that like button and save for later. And let's dive right in. My favorite way to make money online is definitely affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, that's where you're promoting other people's products. Most of the big name box stores, Walmart, Amazon, and TJ Maxx and all the rest of them, most of them are going to have some type of affiliate program. That way you sign up, you go to their website. It could be like Nike, it could be like Reebok. If you scroll down to their website at the end, you'll see something that says affiliate or partnership or something like that. All you do is click on it, you fill it out, and if you get accepted, they're going to send you a link. And when they send you a link, then you can start promoting it. You can send emails, you can have a website, or you can do it on Pinterest. Or you can do it by email. There's just there's many different ways to promote a product. And the question is, are you ready? Are you ready to start promoting products? Do you even know what you want to promote? Do you even know what affiliate marketing is 100%, other than maybe you watched a few videos? Well, just remember, affiliate marketing, there's no shipping, there's no dealing with returns, there's no dealing with customer service. In other words, you're not dealing with people. You're just promoting the product. And once you get that link and you start promoting it, and once you make a sale, guess what? You get a commission. Then you'll get an email. It'll say, hey, congratulations, you got a commission, which is, hey, that's what you want. You want to be able to set this up to where, you do all the work in the front end, then you coast through the rest. You spend maybe a couple hours a day messing with it, fine tuning it, but then bam, it comes together and then you start making money. And if you're one of them who are doing this on the side, affiliate marketing as a side hustle, well, then it's great. Or maybe you're a college kid trying to make extra money now that you're, all that college stuff is, you got to pay it back now. So, or maybe a stay-home mom or even a stay-home dad. This is a great way. Affiliate marketing is a great way to either make extra money or turn it into a full-time job where you've got your own line business. That way you can, get rid of that 9-to-5 grind. You can get rid of that time suck on your back and, enjoy your time freedom. And hopefully it'll lead into financial freedom too. But if you want to know how to do affiliate marketing the right way, where you get a mentor and advisor all the way through, where you're not being, left out in the cold by some of them other, maybe those $7 courses that you've been seeing advertised, hey, we're not going to do that. That's not how we do business. We're the best in the business for a reason, and that's because we have guys and gals that's been doing this for years, who's already been making 6 and 7 figures. Now they want to teach you how to make 6 and 7 figures. Now, am I promising you that you're going to make $10,000 a month? No. I said, can you make $10,000 a month? Absolutely. But you got to put the time and a little effort into it. This ain't no quick, rich, overnight thing that you see a lot of YouTubers put out there. This is a legit business, so you have to treat it as such. You got to put your time in. You got to learn the craft. I said, and we're going to teach you how to do emails, how to do an email campaign. If you don't know what it is, it's where you're setting up a campaign where, you're sending out emails maybe every 2 days or 3 days, with whatever product that you're trying to promote, to get them to buy it. You can build a funnel. You got to know how to build a funnel. Hey, we're going to show you how to do all that. We're going to show you the right way to run ads to where you're not being banned on social media. We're going to help you out with that. because that's the big thing. The biggest problem these days is, social media. You make one little boo-boo, next thing you know, they want to ban you. They want to lock up your account. Then you have to go through the hassle of trying to get it all turned back on, and that kind of stuff. Well, we're going to show you the right way. Doesn't, stuff happens, and, occasionally, we may, it may happen, and, of course, it's pretty easy to get it cut back on. You just got to email them, say, hey, what rule I broke. Sometimes they'll say, well, it was just an accident, but we're there for you. That's the main thing. And, but just be careful with all the scams out there where they're telling you, hey, you can make, 5,000 a month, 10,000 a month, and they're not telling you nothing. They're just giving you just a little bit of information, but they're not giving you the big picture. We want to give you from the small all the way out to the big picture. We want you to understand what affiliate marketing is and how to make money with it. Because once you know how to make money, then once you know how to build your email campaign, once you know how to do a funnel, once you know how to run ads without being banned, then hey, you can promote anything. And at that point, you can promote anything you want in as many different ones. I would recommend multi-income streams anyways. That way you got more stuff going out, being seen, and and more chances of getting, sales. But the main thing is your training. You can't do this without training. You can, but what's going to happen is you're going to watch a few videos. They're going to tell you how easy it is. You're going to jump in there, but then you're going to get frustrated and quit after a couple weeks or a month and say, this stuff don't work. It works. There's thousands of us just like me out there making money every day doing affiliate marketing. Every big business needs affiliates. And the reason why, because they need someone to promote their products. Amazon, people promote stuff on Amazon all the time, and stuff that you buy every day that maybe you do order stuff from Amazon. Well, you can always sell that stuff, you buy it. The guy down the street's probably buying it too. Just think about it. It doesn't matter what you want to do. We're willing to help you. If you're already starting affiliate marketing, but you're completely lost, don't worry. We'll get you straightened out, because like I said, we got guys and gals been doing this for years. They're already making 6-7 figures. Now we're going to show you the shortcuts on how to make money online without struggling. So just keep in mind that you can learn this and be making money, but you got to be willing to put a couple hours in a day or not. It's just whenever you want to do it. It could be in the morning, it could be at night, you could bust it up an hour in the morning, an hour in the afternoon. It's just whatever. You just need some time in order to get this thing going, and we're willing to work with you. We really are. We want to see everybody succeed who signs up with us, because we're the best in the business, and we want to be able to prove it to you and to everybody that when we say, we're going to teach you the right way, that's what we're going to do. So just keep in mind, don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit that little like button for me. And just remember, I put videos out every week. And don't forget to follow me on Pinterest. And I'll see you next week.